In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Rednote account private. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Rednote application and then scroll down and then select on the option that does say me over here. Then you should be brought to your page. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the settings button, which will be the gear icon that is right next to the profile button. Go ahead and press on that like so, and then go ahead and press on privacy settings. Once you're over here, there's actually some things that we could adjust in order to make our account private. Now, Rednote's a little bit confusing because it doesn't have like a single toggle to make your account private or public, so it's a little bit confusing. So all we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and adjust the settings, starting off with activity status. This will basically show whenever you are online on Rednote, and you guys could actually go ahead and press on this option that says close or visible to followers I follow back. And then you also have the option to change the messages settings, so you can make it so only people who you follow back can message you. That is definitely something that you guys could do, or you guys can go ahead and select on this option that says ways to find me, and from here you could adjust how people are able to search for your Rednote account. So if you don't want like any random people to follow your Rednote account, you can go ahead and press on this button that says hide my notes in image search, and then go ahead and also toggle on the option that says hide my posts in nearby feed. But yeah, with all those options, you guys can essentially make your Rednote account private. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.